YouTube, it's your girl Adrena. Today I'm going to be doing a flat iron test on a wig that I got from Luvme Hair. I'm going to see if this can go to straight and back to wavy. So let's get into it. You guys know Luvme. I've done a couple of videos on them. I love their hair. It is definitely high quality. This is what the packaging looks like, and of course they always have a few goodies in there for you. Always comes with a bag. It has a comb in there, has a wax stick in there, clips, elastic bands, bobby pins, a wig cap. So they always send like tons of goodies in their box. So I'm just gonna flat iron this half. I'm gonna use the flat iron that they sent me with the wig, and here is a flat iron. I would pull it closer, but it's gonna pull out of my plug if I do that. So hopefully you guys can see. It's like the afternoon and I'm trying to use natural lighting, so I don't know if it's that light. So I'm just combing it through. I'm gonna flat iron it. I'm not gonna put anything on it because I'm gonna spray water back on it when I'm done, and I don't want too much product on it because I don't want it weighing down. So I'm just doing like the chase method. I'm using the comb to go through the hair to make sure the heat penetrates every strand of the hair. I didn't really have to pass it through too many times. This hair is flat ironing. Like, you guys see that? It looks like it's straight, like straight hair. It actually looks good. Usually when you get curly or wavy hair and you flat iron it, it's all kinky and nappy, but this is actually flat ironing really good, so I'm excited about that. So hopefully it waves back up. If so, that's a plus. Luvme Hair has good high quality wigs. I had a few of their wigs, but I don't think I ever had, I usually just get body wave because you can kind of wear it wavy and then you can wear it straight. But if this flat irons and curls back up, it is a definite plus, especially for the summer. What the hair looks like flat ironed. It is definitely like still silky and smooth. It's not coarse. I can run my fingers and the comb straight through it, so it's actually bomb straight. So here's the curly side, well, the wavy side, the water wave. And here's the straight side that I just flat ironed. I'm going to take this, it's nothing but a spray bottle with water, and I'm going to see if I want to wear my hair straight. I can wear straight, and then if I want to wet it so it'll get back wavy, then it will. So let's see, this is the moment of truth. I definitely don't want to mess up my brand new wig that I just cut the lace and put on today. So we will see. Gonna brush it through a little bit. I don't see it waving up. Let me drench it. I'll be pissed at babe if this don't wave back up. I'm gonna be pissed. It looked like it is a little bit. I should have put some conditioner in there. So at this point I just drenched this side with water, and it looks like at the top it's starting to wave. Oh, it looks like it's starting to wave at the bottom too. Hopefully the curl pattern is the same because this is a brand new wig. So I'm crazy for doing this, but oh, it's real. And it's definitely starting to wave up. So that is a plus, 2 thumbs up. I'm going to give it a few minutes so you guys can see it dry a little more. Sorry if I keep looking this way. I'm looking into my monitor because I don't have my mirror down here. But yes, you guys, make sure you check out Luvme Hair. It's definitely waving back up. It's only been about maybe 2 minutes. Just taking a minute to dry. As you can see, the waves are more, I keep looking on this side. The waves are more defined. The waves are more defined right now. Just trying to let it dry up. I would blow dry it, but I don't feel like going upstairs getting my blow dryer. But it's definitely starting to match this side again. As you guys can see, it's just still a little wet, but the water waves are perfect. But yeah, it's definitely a go. I recommend you guys check out LuvmeHair.com.